Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we start our second part, changing the color or transparency of an instance of symbol. For this I draw some symbols here and you can see these different colors. Now if I want to select this any of this shape, click on selection tool, click on this figure and selection tool and press it. Or you can select bucket tool, change the color from here, select any color like this one. Okay, apply any other color here, suppose this one. Okay, any other color, so this will appear. Okay, now if you want to check this our next topic is grouping and outline and fill. You can see this is outline and this is fill. Okay, now go here in selection tool, press this, and if you select this and if you want to move this, you can see this move, and if you press this you can see double line, this shaded areas appear, and if you want to move this will be appear like this one. Okay, now I want to move this one, I select this one and I want to move this one. This will be completely moved with the line. Now you can see I select this, and if I want to move this boundary is here and color area is here, this becomes separate. Okay, and suppose this one, this is completely moved, but if I click here and press this, so you can see this boundary is here and color area is here. You can't move both together. For this, what you do, go again, and simple shortcut key is Control plus G. This become group. For example, this become now group, and if you want to move this completely move, and if I even select this, I move this is move like this one. Okay, and Control plus G, so now this will be appear, this become dull. Okay, now I move place again here, and here Control and G, now this become group, and when I want to move this become, so you can see this sometime move with group and sometime now. So this is hard for you. For this you change it, go on modify, and in modify you can see here group, click on group, and now you draw any other figure. For example, I select again pencil tool and draw any figure. Okay, like this one, and fill it like this one. Okay, and now if I want to move this, and select tool and move it, so you can see this is completely moved. Okay, in this way you can Control plus G is shortcut key for grouping selecting, and Control plus B for break apart a group. Before this Control plus G you group the part, and Control plus B ungroup data. Okay, next one is working with text. For this you use text tool. Again we want to remove all this. Okay, take this eraser and use a big razor like this one and remove all this. Now you write any text. For this select text tool and write here any text. For example, if you want to write here like keep smiling. Okay, now if you want to change it, for example, this time this writing is like you want to change this one, or okay, there are different options. So you can change into in any other writing like this one. Okay, now if you want to change the color of this, select this and change the color. And if you want to bold this, press bold. Cursive, this become cursive. You want to increase the size, same. If you want to increase this number, right here any number like 36. Okay, this size will be increased. Okay, now we want to check more things about this in this. For what we do now, for this go on modify, and here you can see break apart. Okay, for this, before this, first select and then go on modify and break apart. You can see this each this alphabet is become separated. Now this is not a text, this becomes shapes. Okay, and if you want to change anything, you cannot change in this because this become converted into shape. And if you want to change like bucket tool, if you want to change anything, this will not working here. Like you can see this here. Okay, because now this becomes shape. Okay, now next is we want animation text with timeline effects. So for this, again I write a text here. You can see I write welcome, and you want to change the color, its font size, all this. After this I want animation, so go on here, insert tab, and insert tab you can see timeline, and after this timeline effects. So select this timeline effects, and here you select effects. But this time all effects are blurred. I select this one first and go on insert tab and timeline effects and go on effects. Okay, which you want, like blur or drop shadow or expand, like this one, any you want to select this will be applied. So this can work. Next is animation text and shape twinning. You write this text, and after this select this, you can select this and select here. Again go on insert insert and timeline effects, and effect before this go on modify and click on group or ungroup, and I select a break apart. This will be like this, and if I select again break apart, you can see this become dotted line will be appear. Now this is not a text, this become a shape. Okay, so this is motion twinning. So we can select as text and we convert this into any shape. Before selecting this, you can increase or decrease the size. How many times you select this, modify, and this time this become dull. I select this. Okay, I select this and modify, and you can see if I want to select this line is not appear, it means this becomes shape, that's why this is not selected. Okay, now control, I want to undo, control plus Z, this become undo. Now this become shape, and in this way you become you can change anything or you make this a picture. And if you want to select this modify and break apart, here this become group, and again want to ungroup, this become like this one, this become dull because this is not working this time. In this is property inspector. Here you can see also drop down menu, you can see here template, and this one, this appear here. Now you can see here you select any frame, click on here and drag it like up to this, and from tween you can see here, select any shape like motion or like this one. Okay, select this one, select any other effects, like you select effects what you want. Okay, like this one. Okay, so you can see this again become motion twins, and this will be work now.